Gelo, this Eid Mu'oktay, we shook the Arab world.
No, the Pakistanis got tired lifting the heavy torch.
No, it was the Brave 8 guys.
Brave 8 kufanfan adi. Marod Arab is waiting for the Somali people.
At least we got respect in the world.
Yeah, I think it's kafanfan for now. They say rare Badir Somalis don't know the difference between sun, moon, star, and planet.
Kirdeh those people. We are proud Somalis.
خط اليوم كهدو رمادو. Who will feed the Somalis?
Ilahi. Hamburgerka, they think they are the boss?
We will wait and see.
Gelo, but the big problem is I hate in Aderiyashe.
Why?
They did not Eid with our people.
Let me guess. They like to wear hamburger?
Yes.
Kirde. They are not proud Somali people.
By the way, what happened? Ader Gulalo is not calling you this Eid.
I don't speak with him because he also wear ambur.
Okay, I have to go iron my khamis and get ready for Eid Salat.
What? لو بركة هر أيا إنترنت كلو عيدي موال انتهي عذي.
Runta Mia.
And you are going to wear that ambur? Where? Arle أنكو أركو. دقون.